Hello, I am Mark Faraday, Community Communications Manager at NuNet. We have exciting news. The device management service and service provider dashboard have been updated to the point that we believe they work really well. So I'm going to show you that how well it works and encourage you as testers on the Discord to basically stress test it. We want you to submit a lot of jobs so that we can see if, a lot of jobs being submitted to the network, how well it can handle that. So as you can see, I completed a job here. I've done a couple jobs now, and they completed very quickly. I'm going to click finish, and then I'm going to refresh because I heard something that you may need to refresh after each job. Make sure you click finish and then refresh, and then you can start a new job. So I'm going to start by doing the regular CPU job that we've been having you all do for testing. And we're going to copy this URL. Wait, no, that's the instructions. This is the URL. This is the URL for CPU job. And we'll probably have you all start doing some more jobs after you successfully complete this CPU job. We will have you do some other ones like GPU jobs and such. But I need to put in matplotlib here. And then we'll do estimated time 30 minutes. I'm pretty sure it will complete faster than 30 minutes. Make sure you connect your wallet. And then go to next. Wallet is correct. Originally, I told people to use 1,000 tokens. That's probably way too much. And people are starting to run low on the MNTX they were able to mint. So do 100, or you can try doing less. 1,000 isn't needed, and we don't want you to run out of the mock NTX that you need for testing. And I'm not a robot. And submit. And give it a second. It should work. Yay. All right. Hopefully you can see my wallet signing thing. Not that it matters too much. All right. So I sign it. And job is submitted. And then very quickly, as you see, that was super fast. A lot of people will get used to get stuck on the job is submitted screen, and it either never went to this is a new UI change. Our testing helps them fix that so it's less confusing. It used to make people think it was completed at this point, but now it's got this thing that says that job is running. I really like that they put this little spinning wheel thing. That was a really good UI thing. Obviously, that's a UI thing that a lot of things use. They use a spinning wheel to show you that something is happening as a nice user interface, user experience animation that doesn't, it's just there for show. It's just to tell you that something is happening. But we're going to wait, and I'll edit out some of this if it takes too long. But the job should complete. I've completed this job twice already, so this should work pretty soon. And there it is. Operation is completed. Check the results. So you can check the job progress, or you can finish. Obviously, this is the same screen I had at the beginning. Now, of course, I forgot to mention, before you can do all that is you have to download the new DMS. So same as stage 2, you need to use this wget command in your terminal. Wget, get the new version, then sudo this sudo command to install it, and it should work. And then you also need to do the new service provider dashboard. So wget, download the service provider dashboard, and sudo to install it. And then you go to localhost 9991, and that's what this was. So sorry, I forgot to mention that first. Obviously, we have new versions, so you're going to have to download them and install them, and then you'll be able to do this. So like I said, we would like you to do a lot of jobs back to back. So do a job like I just did, click finish, refresh the page, do another one. And also, like I said, we'll probably have people start doing other jobs besides the CPU job that I demonstrated. Like I believe we have, yep, here we go. So if you go to machine learning code examples on the documentation, we have several different GPU and CPU. If it says PyTorch, that is a GPU one, I believe. Yeah, and it'll tell you if it's a GPU and so on. So yeah, that is the new DMS and service provider device management service and service provider dashboard that seem to work very well now. Obviously, we need to test it more. That's why we need you all on Discord to test it and like really stress test it by running a whole lot of jobs to see how well the system handles a whole lot of jobs being submitted all together. And yeah, if this is successful, then hopefully we can move on to phase 4, the final phase, which is claiming MNTX that we've earned as compute providers. So that's going to do it for that one. Thank you, and I will see you all on Discord.